Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called Tech. So today I'm going to continue with C Sharp lesson. So last time we talked about how to print hello world in C Sharp, how to declare variable in C Sharp, how to use condition statement in C Sharp. So today we're going to talk about the for loop in C Sharp and the while loop. So I've been asked by many people to do a video about C sharp. So, and that's why I'm doing it. And I'm really ready to help people understand the things about C sharp and about programming languages. So, yeah, you can also see my channels. I will press the link in the comment section about other languages I'm doing and other languages I'm teaching. That these things help me a lot to learn more because I'm a C student and it helped me to improve my skills. Yeah, programming is about practicing, about sharing your skills, about about coding every day. Yeah, that's why I'm doing these videos so to help the people. So please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and help me to grow my channel since it's still new. So I've just created and I want you guys to help me push up my channel and subscribe to my channel if you did not. Just help me to push it up. So good. Now we're ready to go. So at the end of this video, you will be able to use for loop in C sharp in while loop. It's very easy, it's very simple. So this video will be like about 30 minutes or something like that. So if you have any question, just ask it in the comment section. And then in my next video, I will talk about things that you guys are talking in my comment sections. That's very good. And also, I will be able to share this code in GitHub, in my GitHub about C Sharp. This is about React Native. If you want also to learn React Native, this uh, link will be in the comment section below. So you'll be able to download it and then practice React Native, how to build Android application or iOS application, right? So, and after that, we have a C sharp here. So this is our lesson one we learned last time. So this one will be there and you will be able to practice it if you did not watch any video about it. So just you this link will be pasted in the comment section. So good. Now we're ready to go about C sharp. And we talked about it last time, so I don't want to talk again. I don't want to talk again for now. So yeah, now we're ready to go. Good. Let us open up our video code. So I'm inside my folder called C sharp. Then I can open up my visual code. Good. This is our last program we did last time. So now this code this code will be in my account in my C sharp in my GitHub account, so you will be able to download it as well. So let me clear this stuff. Yeah, I'll be using this PowerShell from um, from Visual Code. So also you will be able to know how to create a project in the C sharp. So first, this was module one, and in a module one we learned things there. So yeah, we paste the link in the comment section so that you can go and watch it again. So you want to create another model folder, name it model Since this one is okay, I want to create here in my folder module module 02, right? So now I'm going to go in my in my module, sorry, module 02, right? Now I'm inside my folder I've just created. So first, just want to clear this. I want to create a new project, and I want to create a new project in C sharp, right? So I would like to create a project here, but it seems like something about I just want to create a new project here in my module 202. Now to create a new project, just come here or open your command prompt, or I just want to use it for now. So type .net, right? .net new console, and then you can just do it like this, or name of of a project. But I don't want to name the project. I just want to create the project inside this module, and then hit enter. Our project our project has been created. Now it's okay. Now we're ready to go now. This is hello world. So let us run it. To run C sharp, most of the time people go at the right or at the right side and then click here to run things or go there, but I don't that's like I don't want it. I can just come here, right? Type .net run, then wait a little bit. Let's wait a little bit so it will console log here, because this it's okay. There we go. We have just run our first our application. It's running. There's no problem. We have created a project, and inside the project is empty for now, right? Good. Now I want to remove it. Everything. So start with system. Using system colon. Come here. Create a class. Create a class named create a class like which will be public. I want to create a class named program. mm, which will be public, and then program. So like the class you create must be the same here with the folder, it must be the same. Come here, and then good. Sorry, here it's not public. So it's like class only, because this one is we need to add main function here. Now write static void must be empty. This function is our main function, main, and then string, and then bracket, and then args. Good. Now we are good to go. Now let us console log again. Console, no, console right, because uh, like console right, and hello world. No, mm, code tech. Come here. Let us run again. We have an error because I forgot the colon there. Then let us run again. We have an error because I forgot to put e there like it was system, but we need to write system using system. That's what they tried to tell us here, system, something like that. So now we're ready to go. So if with this language, you need to be ready for everything, just before sun. Now we are ready to go. Our program is running as well. So now let us create a loop. For example, let me write. mm, so for loop, we need to start with the word for, right? So first, just want to write a comment there. You're going to learn for and then while loop, right? For and while loop. Maybe we will be able to add for each, something like that. So these are functions. For each is optional for today. So but I just want to teach you guys a for loop and a while loop. So first we need to write the for like this. Let me zoom a little bit. Okay, we need to create to write for like this, and then we can type a value inside. To type a value, we need to specify the type of the variable. We need to iterate inside our for loop. Imagine you going to display a file from a journal. For example, for those who were doing journal project knows it. So you need to print out and the file inside. So like the file inside the folder, you need to print out multiple things inside one program. So you will be able, or a list, or in a list or in a dictionary, something like that. So you will be able to print it out easily with a for loop or with while loop. You know, imagine now. First, I need to specify the type of the variable. It might be string, it might be int, it might be but with for. Most of the time we can use int, but we can also use string, but most of the time it's int. And then the name of the variable for mine is I, and then colon, and then condition. So let me specify things here. So for using for loop, we need first to type the type, so to create or to write the type, then declare variable. After that, colon, and then condition statement, add the condition, and then condition. Now after condition, now we will be able to implement it. For example, if you want to print out a number, the number from 0 to 10, you need to do something like you need to limit the time. So here we're going to limit. I can just write a limit for you guys to understand. Because if you don't limit, for loop will go until your computer start to slow sometimes or start to crash and your program starts to crash, something like that. But that one is not good. Imagine this Windows, we have this Windows like this beautiful window, like this program Visual Code. I think they did it with for loop. Imagine you are looping over and over, and it's just like running and it's running. So it's not limited. Sometimes for loop that they deal with it. Imagine you can come here, create another one here, create another one here. It's like multiple. That's like how you can work with for loop. But here we need to specify the limit. For example, I need to print out. For example, I have declared a variable, or I can assign also a value here equal 0, and then come here. I want to print from 0 to 10. From 0 to 10, I need to write 11 here. Equal less than 11, and then colon. Now I need to specify, right? So no limit, I just want to end the loop, right? This is the correct word I wanted. I just want to end the for loop, right? So now I will do like I plus plus, right? And that's all. Now I can print it out. I can print it out right line. I can print it out. I can do like number, number or ID number, the ID number. So come here, write $sign to print out these things. ID number, just like that. Then brackets and then ID. I. You know, now let us print it out for now. Let us print out and then see what will happen. Oh, there's an error. I forgot the semicolon there. Invalid token plus plus. Okay, they say invalid token plus plus. Okay. Now because I forgot things here. Now I just want to run it again. There's an error, means I did something wrong here. So guys, I've just realized that I did something wrong here. That's why. You know, you so we need to run our program, inside our main function. So just come here and then paste it here. Just want to run inside our function, for it to work as well. And now we are ready to go now. Good. Now let me do this and then run it again. Now it will work. Now, as you can see, so I've printed out the ID from 0 to 10, Why from 0? I did it here from 0 to 11. So, I mean like if is less than 11, now print out, since the C sharp, okay guys, so this is how we can work with for loop, and you can do maintenance of for loop. So next time we'll be able to do more things. So today this video was only short, but let us use also while, and then I will add the do here. So while it's like a for, but yeah, it's a little bit different in the context, something like that. And can just come here, right? While, declare a variable here. I want to declare a variable which will be used inside our loop. A variable, it's like int, and int x equal 0. Good. Now I will come here and then say if, so while x is less than 20, for example, and now what am I going to do now? Then console dot write line, console dot write line. Gonna put here, so get write x is less than, less than, wait, so I want to put all in like one verb. I want to compare variable. There's x and then there's y, and then y equal 20, and then I will come here change x to y. X is less than y, you know. Good. So now let me, it's less than y, and then come here y. Okay, I want to do something. Y is it? It will print it. I want to replace y and x by its value. So x will be 0, and then the y value will be y. Okay, the y value will be 20. Sorry, and it will be implemented something like that because we need to iterate something, and good. And now it remain one thing. Now I will come here and then say x plus plus, or come here, okay, let us try with x right plus plus, x plus plus. So let me, okay, everything's good now. So let us run dot net. Sorry, today I don't know. Dot net run. Let us see what will happen now. Good. There's an error. There's an error. There's an error somewhere. Maybe I did something wrong. And okay, good. I forgot colon there. So just come here, clear, and start again. Good. As you can see, first we need our for loop. So let me write the text here. So console.log, console dot console dot write line for loop, and come here again, console dot write line while loop, while loop, something like that. So now I want to, I forget to put semicolon. Yeah, again. So let me restart again. I want to like put it a little bit here. Good. And then come here, run it again. Then we'll see what will happen now. So there we go. Now we have for loop here and then while loop. So while loop is 0 is less than 20, 1 is less than 20, But, here, the 19 is less than 20, something like that, Yeah, everything is good. 20 is like is constant because it is a value we're comparing x for, we're comparing x to 20, Again, that's how you can do things. You can add more. But I need to show you one thing here. On I want to use do. I want to add do here. So I want to do parentheses and then do while. You know. So for example, I want to do something like do do this. So I want to tell my program to do this. Listen how I will change it. I will just copy these things. I copy this and then put here in do. So one, remove this bracket and then now it's good. Now it's good. Now I will come here. One, I want to remove some spaces. My code is not clear, but good. Now I'll come here. Instead of while leaving it like that, I want to put colon there and then come here. So I will tell my program, do this, print this if x is less than y, and it will print it as well. And it will be the same thing. That's how you can do things. And let us run and see what will happen if there's a difference. Yeah, there's a difference between some of because I think I forget something. I forget something expected. I forget column somewhere. I forgot. I forgot column somewhere. I forgot something. Yes, I remember, because it's not like in other languages like in the Java and other things. So I will just remove this while at the top and then put it there. It means like do this while. So this one is the message we're going to print it out, and then this one while is a condition. It's like if, it's like else, if else, switch, something like that. And then yeah, that's how I think now it will work. Hope that it will work. Let us run again. There we go, it's working as well. So this is how you can do things. So I want to show you one thing here. So x must be a value from console. Time is up. I need to console.read, right? I need to take a value from a user. So this one need to be string because and then come here, convert it as well, and int int y int equal int dot. So sorry, this one is int y. So valid x equal int pairs, and convert to this one pairs what we need to pairs x. Yeah, now we're ready to go. So and then put console log here, console right now log. What is your value? What is your value? Parentheses and then x. Good. Now since we are using valid x, we gonna take this one because it is the value which is Okay, let me change it. I don't want to change program. Like, uh, just want to do this. Input. Come here, take input, and then here just leave x value there. Good. Now we need to do everything. So x will be printing out from user will enter its x value and then the program will be able to print things out. So next time we're going to talk about for each, and then I will give you more things to do. I forget one thing. Yes, I forget colon. So because I was coding in JavaScript, a colon and everything is are optional, and that's why I was like I'm just forgetting semicolons. But next time I will talk about for each, and then in for each you will learn many things. You'll learn many things in for each. So now, let us write. Well, I oh yeah, there's an error. I want to do things, so just come to put the message here, and then print out get. I'm doing very quick because I'm running out of time. Good. So next time I'm going to talk to you um, about for each, and then I'll talk to you about functions, how to declare functions, and then after that we're going to talk about the objects and the classes. That one is it will be very good for you. So just write 30. But what if x is 30? But now you can add condition and things there. Yeah, but for now I don't need to add like condition. Just want to write 30 here. Then good. You know, for loop, something like that. And yeah, 10 is less than 20. But what if 10 is like x is greater than 20, something like that? The program will stop. By there, you can add the condition. So next time we'll be adding condition, we'll be doing stuff, many things here. So we talk about for each, and then we talk about function. We talk about function, and after that we talk about object. Good. That's what we're going to talk next time. So I will press the link how this go of the past lesson we learned. I will paste the link in the comment section below, so that you can be able to go and review everything we did. So good. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share for helping me to grow my channel, to grow it as well. So since it's still new, I want to grow. I want to do stuff and teach you guys many things. I will share with you my kid how and stuff. Thank you so much.